Good morning, YouTube. Sorry I couldn't put out a video last night. We've had some problems with our fridge, and then obviously we tried to fix it, and we woke up this morning to a completely spoiled fridge. So I do have to be watching the kids right now. One of them is laying behind me, chewing on some toys. The other one's listening to music in the other room while Mama Bear goes and replenishes our fridge that we had to fix up a little bit. So we've had a little bit of a wild time the last few hours, but I wanted to make sure to hop on here, even though it's a little bit lacking in time. Wanted to make sure to get you daily expected moves. 751.37 for you YouTube people out there. 740, 15 to the downside for the SPY. Patreon members, remember that all of the daily expected moves have already been posted to Patreon. And remember that AMC was replaced with SMH because the options chain or the options expiration for AMC are kind of messed up to where you can't make great ranges every single month now. What are we looking for the market? Well, a big thing we're looking for is, does the daily chart confirm into positive territory, right? Does it confirm up here? Because that can be very simple. It can just mean we're going to head towards that monthly expected move. We will watch towards any kind of trap, though, up in these areas that gives some kind of tapering off divergence early on in the month. It would most likely be next week. But we can look at the 2-hour chart and say, if this rotates down, yes, it would be kind of like, hey, we're failing to break through. So if the 2-hour curls down, we would suggest that, hey, we're going to potentially go into negative territory, and that is a little bit risky. But as of right now, the 30-minute chart, I mean, you do have these tiny little divergences we talked about on Patreon yesterday a little bit. I don't know if those will be worked out. It's just kind of a wonky look considering that the Qs look a lot different here, right? The Qs actually dip down. The Qs actually look more like the opportunity. And it looks like data this morning, at least the initial hipfire reaction is a few points to the upside. So we'll see what takes place there. For the Qs here, 735.54 to the upside, 714.80 to the downside. And if the 30-minute can confirm to the upside, then we would be looking for a Tesla at a high and going to make a new one. As we look at the 2-hour, we say if that rotates down today, then that could be a slight issue. Okay, so because we are so close to negative territory, we have to be watching for that very carefully. The 30-minute, though, if that can confirm to the upside, well, then that's not turning down. We look for those 30-minute lower highs, those 30-minute divergences to suggest a trap. That's what we're going to watch for over the next couple of sessions. IWM, I don't think I updated the levels, so I'm just going to read them off for you really quickly here if you would like them for IWM. 302, that would be 302.81 to the upside and 295.83 to the downside. Something very, very critical here is IWM and the signals that we do see. If we see this 2-hour able to roll here, which we did roll at the end of the day. Now, remember that if you're looking at 2-hour charts, the last bar of the day isn't necessarily the best for confirmations because it's only got 30 minutes in it. You'd want to go look at futures, and you would want some kind of follow through, or you'd want some kind of 30-minute bounce that fails. That would be the best case for kind of an end of the day confirmation for the 2-hour chart. As we go over to volatility, you're seeing what? This 30-minute really starting to stack. So can we see a 2-hour move to the upside? Yes, we can for volatility at this moment. So this kind of tells you that there might be some kind of trap here. This is why it's important. We look through the SPY, we talk about it by itself, Qs by themselves, IWM by themselves, and then we take on the VIX, and the VIX is suggesting a bounce for the 2-hour chart can come if these 30 minutes are able to confirm by the end of the day today. Hey, thank you guys for watching. I got to go take care of baby girl. I hope you enjoyed the fact that we were able to get you guys out those daily expected moves, but I got to go start being a dad again. So see you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.